Previously on Life's Endeavors.
Alright, it's Sunday. We're back at it with this bathroom remodel. Show you a little update. Got all the drywall done, sanded, primed. Chelsea put a coat of paint on the ceiling this morning. While that's drying, we're going to get all this Durarock set down on the floor. So we can probably get these walls painted this afternoon. We'll see how ambitious we are today after we get this Durarock laid down. But it's coming along. It's actually showing some good progress at this point. All the hard stuff's over. Well, not necessarily, but most of the hard stuff is over with. So, all right, I gotta mix up some thin set and start laying down this Durarock.
The garden was blessed by the gods of me and you. We headed westward to find ourselves some truth. Oh, what you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? We counted all our reasons, excuses that we made. We found ourselves some treasure and threw it all away. Oh, what you waiting for? No, what you waiting?
Alright, well, I've got 2 coats of paint on the walls, and Tyler came home today on lunch break and installed the light and fan. So that's kind of nice. We'll have some light in here. I got the outlet covers on, and then the next thing we need to do is get the Durarock down. And one of the videos, we were mixing the thin set to be able to put the Durarock down, but we didn't realize that we bought the wrong thin set, and it was setting up so fast that we didn't have any time to work, and we ended up with just a bucket full of thin set that was basically not usable, and now it's going to end up in the dumpster. We'll see you next time when we get the stuff to do the tile. It's getting kind of exciting. We're about done. And then hopefully we can get all the stuff out of the dining room and living room, and we can have a bathroom again. So anyway, stay tuned.
Alright, it's Friday. We're back in the bathroom today. I'm going to try and get this Durarock laid down on the floor. We attempted to do this last weekend, but I bought the wrong thin set. It was rapid setting. I didn't realize it till after I mixed up a batch, and it was like rock hard in 5 minutes. So I'm going to go mix up a new batch of the right stuff and start laying down some Durarock. I'm going to mark my 3 foot by 5 foot dimensions of my Durarock sheets. That way I'm not putting thin set out here where I need to kneel and walk.
What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? When I dance alone and the sun's beating down, blame it on me. When I lose control and the veil's over you, blame it on me.
Oh, last piece. My back can't take much more of this. I'm going to be done after I get this one screwed down.
What you waiting for?
Alright, that's enough for today. My back's pretty sore. Tomorrow I'll get started on tile. all the Durarock's done. Could start on it today, but I'm gonna take a break and go have some fun. So get back at it tomorrow. All right, new day. Gonna get started on the tile today. Got everything laid out this morning thanks to Dad. I was struggling with figuring out where to start in here, so I called FaceTime Dad, and he helped me lay it out on the phone. We got center line marked. We gotta put tape down on all these joints yet, but we're starting, where was it? Over here on this side, right in the center with full tile, and then with the next row we'll be stepping it down from there. So I got Courtney helping me today. She's super excited as usual. So, all right, gotta mix up some thin set and get these taped and get going.
Caught in the tide of blossom, caught in the carnival. Your confidence forgotten, I see the gypsies roll. What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? When I dance alone and the sun's bleeding down, blame it on me.
You gotta go really easy at the end there. It's been a few years.
Use, blame it on me. What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? When I dance alone and the sun's beating down, blame it on me. When I lose.
All right, it's Sunday now. Let this set up overnight so I can get the other half done over there. But before I start on the tile this morning, I'm gonna get this vanity light hung up over there. It's right here. We'll get this installed first. Get a little more light in here. Not that there's not much light. I got quite a bit with the fan light, but I just want to change it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do that first.
Controlling the veils overused, blame it on me. When I dance alone, I know I'll go, blame it on me.
Well, let's see if it works. Hey, Dad, you did the electrical right. Good job. Those are pretty dim though, aren't they? Might have to do some different bulbs. Those aren't very bright. I don't know. Maybe it'll make it look cool in here with some accent lighting being a little dimmer.
When I lose control, I know I'll go, blame it on me. Oh, what you waiting for? No, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for?
Okay, got all the tile done, finally. There it is, we'll see how it holds up. Had a couple that were a little questionable, but I think it'll be all right. We'll let it set up the rest of this weekend. Chelsea will be off work here in a couple days and she gets to do the grout. All right, thanks for watching.